Going on, guys? This is CRC Boom here. Today we got another review. Yesterday we had the review of the ECX mini desert truck. Today we have the ECX Outburst little motorcycle by Horizon Hobby. This is an amazing little bike. Let me go over some of the things that it comes with in the box. You get a USB LiPo charger. Now, I'm glad it comes with a LiPo, but it's not like you can take it out, you know what I mean? So, it's in there. I don't know where it is, but now some of you guys are probably wondering, oh, where am I going to plug that in? You can plug it into your computer, or if everybody has some sort of smartphone, you'll probably have one of these. So it's just a little wall adapter. You just take this, plug it in, and then this plugs in right on the side right here. Plug it in, and then you plug it into the wall. There's also a tiny little on-off switch right there. So I'll get to that after. This is the radio system. It's a 2.4 gigahertz ECX transmitter. Pretty good steering. It has a dial right here for fast and slow. There's no reverse, so it's just go and stop, on, off, and it does take 4 AA batteries, so it takes a lot. Back to the bike. It's got a gyro, so when you turn on, you're gonna hear a loud motor sound. It's because it's the built-in gyro, and it's got 2 motors. It's got one for the back tire, and then it's got one for steering, and it's got 3 motors. It's got one for the back, one for steering, and then one for the what's it called? Yeah. Then it's got one for the gyro. So yeah. Something else pretty cool about this bike. It does have lights. It's got a front light, got a back light. It's pretty sweet. So yeah. I'll try to turn it on for you guys. So you just hit the on-off button. Just hit the on-off button, and then you just flip this little switch on the side. As you can see, it lights up. You want to steer a little bit. Throttle. Sometimes you have to resync it if you turn it on too fast. Just like that. As you can see, it's very loud, but it's very fun, especially outside. And I'm pretty sure they will be coming out with upgrades and stuff for this. So, yeah, just a cool little ECX bike. This cost around $40, just like the other one, my other truck. It's the exact same size as the little desert truck, the kickflip. So it's pretty cool. Both 1/32nd scale, but it looks like this one's a little bit bigger. That's just because it's a motorcycle. So, yeah. This one doesn't have a removable body or anything. You have to take the screws and stuff off. So, besides that, it's a pretty nice little thing. It's not very fast, but it has enough speed. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos on this and see more reviews, hit that subscribe button wherever they're putting it.